You know, a lot of people have roof problems, and some of them are pretty easy to take care of. With this one, you only need a few tools: a hammer, some roofing nails, roofing cement, and something that's going to let you get back in under and remove the nails that are holding the shingles on that we want to remove. Might as well go ahead and get busy. Now, obviously, this is where the problem is. However, we have to take out more than just this tab. As a matter of fact, the shingle goes all the way from here over to here, so we got to take all of this out. These shingles are held in place by nails that are hidden up here, and what we have to do is to get in under and pry those nails out. Might as well get started with this one right now. Now, I prefer to use a pry bar to remove these nails, but a lot of people will take a saw, a hacksaw, without having the frame and reach in under there and cut through the nails. As you can see right up here, we're also going to have to take the nails that are on the next strip up. So that's the next thing we need to do, is get all these nails out of the way. And now this should be our last nail. Let's just check to be sure. And we should be able to just slip this out of there then. Get rid of the bad boy and put a good one back in there. Now, let's see if we can slide the new shingle back in place here. That's looking pretty good. All we have to do is now anchor it down. Now we want to put the nails back in at the top of each one of the slits. And we also want to be sure we put one in at each end of the panel. Now, with all the nails in our new shingle, we need to go back up here to the row up above and put the nails back in place. Now we're ready for some roofing cement. We're going to apply it right up here where we disturbed the nails and put it on the tar strip. Now, once you get it all sealed down, that's the end of the job, and we've got a roof that won't leak on us.